Whatever the reason, a disabled message feels like a permanent lockout. But what if I told you it's not? What if you could unlock your iPad and get back to your photos, your work, your life, in the next few minutes? The easiest way to get back into a locked iPad is by using iCloud's Find My feature. Here's what to do. Step 1. Go to iCloud.com/find and log in with your Apple ID. Step 2. Click All Devices and choose your locked iPad. Step 3. Select Erase iPad and confirm. If your iPad is disabled, using recovery mode is the easiest and most trusted way to unlock it. It'll erase everything on your iPad, including the passcode, and then you can get all your data back from a backup. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Open Finder if you're on a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, or iTunes on a Windows PC or older Mac. Step 2. Press and hold the correct button on your iPad, and while holding it, plug your iPad into the computer using a USB cable. Don't let go of the button until you see the recovery mode screen. If your iPad has Face ID, hold down the top button. If it has a home button, hold down the home button. Step 3. A pop-up will appear on your computer with two choices, Update or Restore. Pick Restore. If you're ever locked out of your iOS device, FoneLab iOS Unlocker is a really user-friendly tool that can help you get back in. It can handle several different types of locks for you, like your screen passcode, Apple ID, screen time passcode, MDM, SIM lock, and even backup encryption. Here's a simple guide to unlock a disabled iPad. First, download, install, and then open FoneLab iOS Unlocker on your computer. Next, connect your disabled iPad to the computer with a USB cable. Then, select the Wipe Passcode option. After that, check to make sure your device's information is correct and click Start to begin downloading the firmware. Type 0000 in the box and click Unlock button. Confirm your choice, and the tool will finish everything up for you automatically. Ought a locked iPad that you need to get working again? Don't wait around. Give FoneLab iOS Unlocker a try. It'll restore your device in no time. If this helped you out, we'd really appreciate your support. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and hit the bell so you never miss our new videos.